Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about previous year question papers. But before that, like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Second question, which of the following is the correct statement? Number 1, computers can be used for diagnosing the difficulty of student in learning subject. B, psychological testing can be done with the help of computer provided software is available. So option C, a set of instruction is called a software. Option D, all of the above. So answer is option D, all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? So the right option is virus is a part of a software. Now here, which of the following appropriate definition of information technology? So the options given are very close. So any person who is giving NTA exam will get confused. So you need to remember that information technology refers to hardware and software for storage, retrieval, processing and distributing information of many kinds. Which of the following is not a correct option? So computer is capable of processing only digital signal. So this option is wrong because it also helps in analog signals as well. Option B, computer is capable of analyzing both quantitative and qualitative data. That is right. Appropriate software is required for processing data. That is also right. Computer is capable of processing digital as well as analog signals. That is also right. So next is teaching aptitude. Discussion method can be used when the option here also given are very close, very nearby options are given. So first option is the topic is very difficult. The option B is topic is very easy. Option C is the topic is difficult. Option D is all of the above. The correct answer is the topic is difficult. Which of the following is a teaching aid? Now, option A says working model of windmill, that is right. Option B says tape recorder, that is also right. Option C says 16 mm film projector, that is also right. So option D, all of the above will be the right option. The main aim of teaching is to develop only reasoning, to develop only thinking. Both option A and B, and option D says to give information. So correct answer is both option A and B, which means to develop reasoning and thinking both. The quality of teaching is reflected. Now this question is asked many a time. I think in December 2019 similar type of question was asked. So you need to remember the quality of teaching is reflected by the quality of questions asked by the students or class. The present annual examination system promotes rote learning, that's right. Does not promote good studying habits, that is also right. Does not encourage students to be in regular in class. So answer is all of the above. Research aptitude question. Now there are a lot of time questions are asked on the workshop. So you need to remember a very important question. A college wants to give training in use of statistical package for social sciences to researchers. But this college should organize. Answer is workshop. Which of the following is not a characteristic of research? So research is systematic. Yes, it is a characteristic of research. Research is Problem oriented, yes, it is the characteristic of research. Research is not passive, yeah, that is also characteristic research. That means research is active. But the option says research is not a process. So this will be a correct answer, that research is not a process. Which of the following statement is correct? So option C, where it says objectives can be stated in chapter 1 of the thesis, that's right. Now match the column was asked lately, even this question was asked in the NTA exam. So answer is historical method. The right answer is past events. Survey method, right answer is vision. Philosophical method, exceptional cases. And experimental method, future actions. So this is the right answer. Next question. In which year the University Grants Commission was established? 1953. The idea of democratic decentralization in India was popularized by B.R. Mehta Committee. So in this lecture we have discussed about theory question. Very soon I will be uploading practical questions as well. So see till then, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Thank you all.